Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to repair a pair of headlights actually, with some of the things I got from one of my viewers, Tamás. He sent me a pair of Cetino nitrile gloves, 600, 1000, 2000 and 3000 grit sanding paper, a wool polishing pad, and that was that. I'm going to use the 600 dry, and then I will do wet sanding with the 1000, 2000, 3000, and I'm going to use this Zwizzer interface to be able to put it on the flex, and then I will finish by polishing with the Koshemi HLP1 and HLP2. Let's roll. Okay, boys and girls, these were the sanding discs and also the gloves from my viewer Tamás. They've done the job as expected. Of course, I could achieve a much better result if I started from a lower level of sanding, but I just wanted to give a go to these ones, and yeah, they were just fine. And the gloves are super nice. It has some chunky material, so it's not some sort of weak pair of gloves. I'm even going to reuse it for another video. Anywho, that concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I would like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.